Hi, this video is going to be on appearance versus reality in Macbeth. This theme manifests itself through a number of the characters in the play, the most important of these being the Macbeths. As the Macbeths start to imagine things that aren't there, this represents their guilty conscience catching up with them. For example, Macbeth imagines the dagger in his soliloquy, and also he starts to see Banquo's ghost, which none of the other characters can see in the play. Lady Macbeth also imagines blood on herself when she says, "Out, damn spot." And this blood motif recurs throughout the play to symbolise this guilt. And also, because the Macbeths are imagining these things, this highlights their descent into madness and them losing touch with reality. Another way in which this theme manifests itself is when Macbeth pretends to be loyal to King Duncan. Macbeth says he's playing the role of the humble host, when in reality he wants to commit treason, he wants to murder King Duncan. And as an audience we are aware of this, and we're also aware that the Macbeths are imagining these things that they're seeing. And this creates a kind of dramatic irony, as often the audience, we know what's happening, but some of the characters do not. So hopefully you can see how this theme manifests itself throughout the play. Thanks for listening.